You decided to sell your home and would like to sell it for top dollar.
Do you know what you need to do in order to increase the value of your home?
In this video, we'll share 5 top magic upgrades that will increase the value of your home.
The kitchen is the heart of any home. We spend so much time with family, friends here, so we want it to look the best.
Bathrooms are the second most important feature of the house that you should renovate in order to increase the house value. Modern designer's light fixtures will enhance the way your house looks. Curb appeal and landscape backyard will definitely make your house stand out and will be appreciated by any potential buyer.
Fresh paint and nice wall decor will completely transform the way your house looks. If you're looking to sell your house and not sure what to improve in it, please contact us and we will be happy to help.